Good morning, everybody. Todd Stevens here. Today, I want to talk about the Power Lead Systems compensation plans. The other day, I was talking to somebody about the Power Lead system and their pay and whatnot. And the more I thought about it, I thought about the compensation plan on how it's structured out is kind of confusing. So I drawed up a little diagram on my Paint app here to show you all the best way I can on how exactly it all works. So let's go ahead and go to the diagram, and I'll show you the basics of everything. Alrighty. So your gold, diamond, and platinum are your three levels that you can get into to become an affiliate with the Power Lead system and actually start making money. Your gold here is $53.97 to start. By joining that level, you're able to make $20 commissions. Your diamond level here is $147 to get started, but you're able to make $100 commissions plus your bonuses. Including the gold here, you make bonuses off that as well, matching bonuses, which is amazing. That's great. Now, your platinum level here. Now, that's your big daddy right there. $497 to get started with this program here. But you're able to make $400 commissions plus your bonuses on it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you exactly how this works. Alright, here is my pay line. And the circles here and the numbers up here represents my sales. Alright, like my first sale, I'm going to keep, and I'm going to make $20 off that. My second sale, I have to pass up to my sponsor, which I don't make the $20 off that, but we'll get back to the bonuses when I get done here. My third sale, I keep. My fourth sale, it goes up. My fifth sale, I keep. My sixth sale goes up. The seventh one, I keep. And so on and so forth. Now, on the gold level here, every person on my pay line here, I get a 50% matching bonus with that. Like I got marked down here on the left hand side. I get a 50% matching bonus, which means for the $20, I get a free $10. Now, the more people say that John here refers, say that he makes 50 sales on the gold level. Guys, that will add up quick. $50 times that by 10, that's $500. I mean, that's crazy. That's a crazy amount of money. So, but that's not the only thing. Everybody I refer up here, I make another 50% matching bonus on their sales as well. And guys, that alone on the gold level, it gets insane. It's an amazing structure just with the gold level. Alright, let's go on to the diamond level. Now the diamond level is exact same way as the gold level, except the bonuses are different and the amount of money on the bonuses on the pay structure on your line is different. Alright, so right here's me, and right here's my pay line here. Now on my first sale, I'll make $100. My second sale, I'll pass up. My third sale, I'll make the $100. My fourth sale, I'll pass up. The fifth sale, I'll make $100, and so on and so forth. Now, instead of making the 50%, I'll make the 25% every time somebody on my pay line refers a diamond level sale. Now they'll make the $100, but I'll make $25 off that $100 bill, so 25%. So if they make $1,000 in sale that month, I get 25%. That's $250, guys. That's crazy. And it's not only everybody on my pay line, it's everybody that I passed up along my pay line to my sponsor. 25% of that $100 is going to go to me. Now, they don't lose that $100. The Powerlead system pays me that commission. They pay me that bonus, that 25%. And the same way with the gold. They pay me that. It doesn't get taken out of my sponsor's cut or everybody on my line. It don't take it out of their cut either. So those two, amazing structure. I love it. It's great. Here on my platinum, all right, as I said before, you make $400. You make $400 commissions for everybody that gets on your pay line. So for each one here, my first sale, I make $400. My second sale, I make $400. That's right. I don't pass up any of my sales on my platinum. So I'm like, oh man, that's great. So I get to keep $400 on everybody that gets on my pay line. Now here's a kicker. Here's a kicker. Now, anybody that is on my pay line that refers a platinum sale, I get a free $50. Get a free $50. And that alone, guys, that is unreal. Now, this right here, on each of these pay lines, each of these levels here, my pay line can grow and grow and grow. Now, something I didn't tell you, I failed to mention, is that once you get past 10, you only pass up 1 out of 5 of your sales. So like you pass up your 10th and you keep your 11th, your 12th, your 13th, your 14th, and you pass up your 15th. Then you keep your 16th, your 17th, your 18th, your 19th, and pass up your 20th. So guys, you're making money here. I mean, the longer that you stay with the Powerlead system and the more you push these leads into your system, guys, you're going to make a lot of money. Hands down. I mean, this has to be the most amazing structure I have ever seen concerning an online business like this. All right, let's go to my page here. Now, if you didn't really understand that, I mean, once you get onto the Powerlead system, once you join, there is easy step-by-step instructions on everything. Like when you become an affiliate on your gold, you press this little blue button and it's going to show you exactly what you get and how the compensation is structured. And the same thing goes with the diamond and the platinum. So guys, I hope that was fairly understandable. So if you have any questions, you can send me an email with down the links below. If you want to learn more about this Powerlead system, I'll leave my website link down below as well. And subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't. And guys, you have a great day. Appreciate it.